So you finally got tired of that 9 to 5 and you want to quit that job and make money online. I was in your shoes about 2 years ago, working long days at a trucking job, and I hated my life. Well, I took that risk and I learned how to make money off of my cell phone and online money. So today I'm going to show you how I did it. So this won't be for everybody, but you can apply it in your own way. I'm just going to be telling you the way that I did it and how I found success in making money online and not having to work a job anymore. So the first way that I make money and the fastest way that I make money is YouTube AdSense. So I make the videos and YouTube puts ads on it. And every time somebody watches those ads, I get paid from it. One thing that I like about YouTube is the videos continue to get views even after you post them. That means that you're still getting paid from those videos. So it's not a one and done thing. So content you made in the past 2 years, 3 years ago can still make money to this day. But YouTube still takes consistency, and that goes for all these income sources I have. If you're not consistent in anything, you will not be successful in anything. So what I learned is with YouTube, you have to keep posting, see what your audience likes, see what's working, and keep attacking at that. And that's the best way to make as much money as possible. If you have a video that doesn't work, don't post any more videos like that. If you have a video that you didn't think was gonna work, but it worked, post more videos like that. The top ways to get money is basically to up your CPM and RPM. The way that you do that is the type of niche that you're in. So if you're in finance, that's one of the highest paying niches out there. You could get anywhere from $20 to $45 per 1,000 views. So say you get 1 million views on a video, right? Let's just be generous and say $25 per 1,000 views, right? Or do 25 times 1,000. That's $25,000 right there, just off of a finance video. One video that hit 1 million views. And it's not that hard to go viral nowadays. So the top niches I believe are finance, real estate, fitness. Another big one is anything that has to do with children, like Cocomelon makes hella money, Blippi, all those videos directed towards kids makes a lot of money because a lot of kids watch them and they know what's gonna pay. And the ads that they're gonna put on those videos are gonna be for kids to buy, hey, buy this toy. Same thing with finance. If you're looking into how to make money and you make how to make money videos, they're gonna put how to make money ads onto your videos, and those pay more. YouTube is one of the best ways to make money. Now, I will say you have to meet a certain requirements to get monetized on YouTube, but it's not that hard. Now, coming up in February, it is going to be hard because they're going to double everything. Right now, you only need 4,000 watch hours or 10 million short views to get monetized and 1,000 subscribers. I think they're doubling. I know they're doubling the watch time, but I don't know if they're doubling the subscriber count. So yeah, lock in right now before Q4, because Q4 is the last quarter of the season. Ending of October, going into November to the end of December. That's when advertisers pay the most because a lot of people are spending money on Christmas gifts and Black Friday and so on. And people are trying to get as much supply out as possible. Now's the perfect time to start YouTube. Another way that I make money is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically recommending a product or service and getting paid for commission when somebody buys through your link. So all those people that have Amazon affiliate links, every time you buy something with their Amazon affiliate link in their description, they get a percentage of it. It could be 2%, 4%, 5%, 10%. I don't know what's the highest Amazon pays, but there's other companies out there. Like I remember back in 2021, I was working with a hat company and I bought some of their hats and I made a review on it and I put their link down in the description below and I got 10% for every sale that I got them, and the people who used my code got 10% off of their order. So it's a win-win-win for all parties. The customer gets a discount off of their checkout. I get a percentage of that for selling and marketing to them, and the company gets a sale that they would have never had if I didn't make that video and push content out for their brand. And the good thing about this is you don't have to create a product, you don't have to package anything, you don't have to ship anything. You just connect people with something that they already might want. And if you already make content, affiliate marketing can really work good with that, and it can skyrocket your revenue so much. That's why a lot of people are doing it on TikTok Shop. The TikTok Shop affiliates, companies are sending out free samples to these UGC creators that already have a massive platform and a massive audience, and they're getting a huge percentage of everything they sell. People are making upwards of $50,000 to $100,000 a month just off commission alone. So that tells you something right there. So say you make a video that gets 1 million views and 10,000 people buy something that's $10, right? That's $100,000 right there, right? And say you get 10% of those sales. That's 10 grand right there that you just made off of a video. Easily, just like that. So that's why I say affiliate marketing, whether it be TikTok Shop, through Amazon, through other companies, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money. That's my second source of income. The third way that I make money is my own brand. And when I say brand, I have multiple brands, but my main brand right now is my Tribal Fragrance. I have a cologne and fragrance line that I have, and I will link in the description below, where I sell my own product. So I built my personal brand on YouTube, and now I'm looking for something to sell that has to do with my content. A lot of my content has to do with self-improvement and becoming a better man. And one of the ways to become a better man is to perfect your hygiene and smell good. And that's why I created my Tribal Fragrance brand. Bro, if you're still walking around smelling like outside, we need to have a conversation. These are my Tribal Fragrance oils. They smell amazing, they're concentrated, long lasting, and you can keep one in your pocket, so there's literally no excuse to be smelling crazy. The last thing you want to do is walk past a girl.
You stink.
It's so easy to apply them. All you do is just roll it on your post points, your neck. They last all day, but take it with you if you need to reapply. You're gonna be smelling so good, you're literally gonna have people asking, yo, what you got on? Stop smelling like a high school locker room and go grab some tribal oils at tribalsense.com. Leave your trail. I don't only have that, I have other things that I sell as well that are in the digital sales side of things. And so I had an ebook that I released on how to quit porn, because a lot of my viewers watch how to quit porn. So I made an ebook about that. I have a paid community on people how to make money. And I'm working on a few other things to sell to an audience that already is interested in the things that I'm selling. And this one's a little bit different because I'm building something of my own. So I do have to package things. I do have to do a lot of the back end work. But in the end, the payout is way bigger than affiliate marketing if you know what you're doing, because you keep a lot of the sales. You're not just getting a commission, because I'm taking care of the products, the branding, the website, marketing, orders, customer service, everything. And I'm still growing it, so it's still hard. And I'm not gonna make it seem like building a brand is overnight and easy. It's not, man. I've been working on it for a very long time, but I'm not quitting. I'm not giving up anytime soon, because quitters, you're gonna go back to a 9-to-5. And if I quit right now, I'm not trying to go back to a 9-to-5, man. And the last one is basically just if I need some extra money or I need to pay a bill, because becoming an entrepreneur and quitting a 9-to-5 and not having that week-to-week paycheck, it's not stable. You know, you have high seasons and low seasons. You have fast seasons and slow seasons. So if things aren't selling or YouTube isn't picking up, you know, it's not like a job where you get set a paid amount every week and you get to work this amount of time a week. And if you need more, you can work overtime. No. It's not like that. So be prepared if you want to make money for yourself. Some days it's just going to tear you down and think, shit, man, can I really do this? But in the end, if you stay focused, it all pays off. So yeah, so one of the last ways that I like to make money, if I have extra free time or I just need extra cash, is through an app called TaskRabbit. It's basically a service-based app where you can give your services, whether it be building furniture or mounting TVs or doing lawn care, for people that don't want to do it or don't know how to do it. You can set your own rate. I was setting my rate at $60 an hour. I've been doing this since 2021, and I probably made over $100,000 just doing it in 5 years. And I wasn't even doing it full time. If you want to sign up for that, I will leave a link in the description below as well, because that's one of the easiest ways to make money. If you have a car, if you have tools, if you know what you're doing with things, it's an easy way to make money. Like I said, this is a more hands-on thing, but it's still, you're not working for anybody else. Like not having one boss. Yeah, you're going to do work for a client, but you can charge your own rate and tell them how long you're going to stay for. So say you want to mount a TV and you're good at mounting TVs, or say you're not. I wasn't. The first time I got called out to mount a TV, I did not know how to do it, man. I went on YouTube, watched a 5-minute video, skipped through it, and I did it correctly. And I probably made over like $30,000 just mounting TVs in Baltimore alone. So it's more for people that are handyman, or like I said, there's so much other things you can do in there. You can do organization, standing in line, errands, a whole bunch of stuff, man, photography. So you're probably guaranteed to be good at one of those things. Or even if you're not, you can lock in on that skill and learn how to do that. And that's a good way to get started. That's one of the ways, that's the way that I started my lawn care business. I started on TaskRabbit cutting grass, and then I got clients off of there. Then I started taking the clients off of there. They started paying me more because they don't got to pay that fee that TaskRabbit charges them. And I started a whole lawn care company where I bought a truck, I bought a trailer, I bought a ride-on zero-turn mower, and I had clients for 2 to 3 years before I moved out to Dallas. So yeah, man, it's a good way to get into starting a business because it's free marketing. And I actually like TaskRabbit because you can use skills you already have to make money. Everybody talks about passive income, but there's nothing wrong with making active income as well. Sometimes that active income is needed to help you fund the other things that you want to do in life, whether you want to start a clothing brand or whether you want to invest into any other craft. I feel like that's a good way to get that extra money and still not have to work a 9 to 5. And I just say I make money other ways too, but one of the other ways that I make money is reselling things on Amazon, like Amazon FBA or eBay or Facebook Marketplace, flipping things, you know? Now that doesn't give me a lot of money, but say I just need to sell something or I need some quick cash, that's a good way to do it too. If you have things laying around your room, if you don't play that PS4 anymore, sell that. Like I said, I don't think it's a good long-term thing, but there are people reselling different things. There's people that are reselling clothes and designer clothes and watches and stuff on Facebook Marketplace making 10K plus a month. So, you know, you can start off by selling your PS4 and learn how to use Facebook Marketplace, and then you can start flipping other things like cars or motorcycles or, you know, just different things like that. And why do I have multiple streams of income? The main reason I like having different ways to make money is because I don't want to depend on one thing. YouTube could have a slow month. TaskRabbit could be a busier month. Affiliate sales can come in. Tribal can make a whole bunch of sales. So instead of depending on just one paycheck, I have different things that I can work on, and that gives me more control. And me personally, I'm a control freak. I don't like having a boss telling me what I can and can't do. So for this video, I'm not telling you to quit your job, like go into your job tomorrow, smack your boss across the face and tell that motherfucker I quit. No, don't do that, because I don't want them seeing this video and be like, yeah, this is the motherfucker that made him do that. Because if you have a job right now, use that job to get to your next place that you want to go. Use that job to make your next move. Save your money, learn a skill, start creating content. Start a side hustle, build that business, and get something small going before you make a major decision. Because when you don't have a guaranteed paycheck, you learn how to move and maneuver and learn how to create your own income. So that's just some of the ways that I personally make money without a 9 to 5, through YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, TaskRabbit, my own brand, and reselling things. And I'm always trying to find new ways to make money. Like I said, I had countless businesses, man. I even did Airbnb. I had an Airbnb last year that I was making money on. Well, you know, some things just aren't for certain people, so that's why you got to keep trying. I will say I'm a hustler, man. You have to have that hustler mindset in order to live this lifestyle, you know, because it will make or break you. If you're not hustling and grinding towards something and being consistent with stuff, you're going to go back to that 9 to 5, and it's going to feel even worse. That's one of the things I'm dreading right now. It's like working a 9 to 5, you were in jail for so long, living an average regular life, then you finally escape that for the 2 years that I've been doing it. And then if you have to go back, it's like, fuck, you're getting thrown back into jail. It's like you were in jail your whole life, then you finally have some freedom, then boom, now you're back in jail. So you have to be consistent, and you have to really want this shit, man. This goal isn't just for me to have more money. It's about creating freedom and having the peace and not being told what to do and how to do it by this certain time. That's something that I personally do not like, being told or what to do, how to do it, and yeah, you need to do this or go do this. No, man. That's why I'm doing this, because yes, the money is amazing. You need money to survive. And when people say money doesn't bring happiness, they're fucking lying, because money brings freedom. And once you have that freedom and the ability to do whatever you want with your money, with your financial freedom, it can bring happiness. Say your mom's been struggling because she's a single mother her whole life, and you become a multi-millionaire. Boom, now you can buy your mom a house. Now you can retire your mother and do all that stuff. So that will bring some sort of happiness. The saying money don't bring happiness was made to keep people broke and keep people in that broke mindset. So if you want to see more videos on how to make money without a 9 to 5 and how to grow and just become a better person and take back control of your life and work for yourself, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video, man. Gang.